Okay, I'm back. I had a tiny panic then that I was on the wrong Instagram account. But I don't think anyone was watching anyway, so it's all fine. But yeah, as I was saying, I think it's the last day that you can order the Get Productive box, like for this month. If there are ones left over, they should be still available in the past boxes, which I think there are. But I wanted to go through the contents of the Get Productive box so that you can see it. And I'm going to tell you some of the stories behind some of the items, why we decided to do them as they are. And then, yeah, if you have any questions about it, you can ask me. So, lovely, hi, welcome. Lovely Danielle from Under the Rowan Trees does this Rowan Berry box, and it's a stationery subscription box. So every month she has a different theme, and it's filled with stationery, like beautiful stationery around this theme. And so yeah, every month you can get a lovely collection of stationery. What more could you want? So I was very lucky and very happy that she decided to ask little old me to be a designer for her box. So she used to just curate things and get them together. And since she's kind of relaunched the box, it used to just be, I think, the stationery subscription box. Now it's the Rowan Berry box. So she asked me to come on as a designer so I could design this box for her. And since it's coming to September now, so the box it arrives in August and you subscribe in August, but you get it at the end of August, so it's like September's box. So since it's September and it's that back to school time, we decided to do it on productivity. And because my brand is very much based on these pencils, this is a tote bag that I designed. I have too much stationery, said no one ever. I actually used that in the box. And then also I've designed this little pin badge, which is a special exclusive pin for my subscription group members. So she could see that I'd designed some stuff before, and she asked me to do this. So let's dive in. So the theme is Get Productive, and when you open it, you get the purple, the classic Under the Rowan Trees purple. Obviously I've opened this, I've used bits, but I've tried to keep everything in here, even though I've been taking stuff out to use. So we've got the little leaflet here, Get Ready, Get Productive, Go. This is one of my logos. And then we've got a little information about all the different things in the box. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things in the box. So some of them I designed, some of them I actually just picked out. And then there's like the information about the Rowan Berry box. Very good. And this is the box. It's not as pretty as it was, but this is it. Ooh. I'm going to move this to try and get a good colour shot. So yeah, this is basically the stuff that's in the box. So you can see it's all very yellow, pink, blue, my colours. So let's start with the pens, because these are the things I didn't obviously design, but these are things I picked out. So I've got this Pentel Energel. Don't know if that helps at all. But it's a Pentel Energel. It's just a really good black gel pen, and I do quite like a clicky one because it means I'm very bad for like losing lids and stuff. So I always kind of displace lids. So if it's a clicky gel pen, that means I can't lose the lid. Very useful. And it's a pen that like writes really nicely. When I'm being productive, I'm writing a lot of notes, I want a pen that's gonna like be really smooth. So this is a very smooth, just nice black gel pen. I'm always using them for my bullet journal, for notes, for everything. So that's why I chose this for the box. Really useful. Absolutely loved everything in the box. Yay! I wonder what your favourite thing was. Tell me what your favourite was. This is the next thing. And this is not a pen, but it's actually a mechanical pencil. So yeah, I wanted to get more into mechanical pencils recently because I do quite enjoy writing in pencil. I like the fact that it's obviously not permanent. You can rub it out with ease. It's not, permanent, and you don't have to worry so much about making mistakes. The only problem with like a traditional pencil is that they go blunt fairly fast, because I can write quite hard. So a mechanical pencil, obviously it stays sharp. It stays like a thin line, so you don't have to worry too much about like when you're writing. You might start writing for a little while and it's fine, and then it gets blunter and your line gets stop dropping things. Your line gets thicker. So I really love this, and I've been using this a lot actually. But yeah, this is the Pentel E Sharp 0.5 mechanical pencil in a beautiful blue to match. So yeah, I really love this. Never tried it before, but we wanted to put a mechanical pencil in, and I really like this one. So those are two of the pens / pencils. And then we also have a Stabilo Swing Cool highlighter. I like these because they save a lot of space. That's the kind of design thing with them. So you know you have like the big chunky ones, like the Stabilo Boss ones. They are great, I love them, but when you're trying to get them in a pencil case, they're like short and fat, and it's a bit annoying. So this fits quite nicely. It has this clip, so you can clip it on, and yeah, it's just a lovely bright pink. It's great. I'm trying to think where I can try it, but I don't really have anywhere right now. But yeah, lovely bright pink. It's useful for notes, for like highlighting important bits of your notes. Some people I know like to highlight their to-do list to get rid of stuff rather than cross through, so you can use this highlighter for that as well. So yeah, we've got these 3 pens. Someone says, hard to choose favourite, but probably the ruler. Love it, it's got design on both sides. Yeah, I know, I was like, oh god, could have designed both sides. So yes, let's look at the ruler then. The ruler says, I rule. Because I think half the battle with being productive is the mindset that you go into it with. So I think you've got to start getting productive and believe that you're going to get the things done. If you don't, you're probably not going to get them done. So this whole thing of like, I rule, we've got to be confident and we've got to be positive about the fact that we're going to do the things. So that's where that design came from. I actually did not design this for the box. It was a design I'd created a while ago, and I decided that this was like the perfect chance to use it. I actually created this design in Colombia when I was talking to my mum about the idea of like creating stationery and t-shirts and things like that, and I came up with this as a funny pun. So yeah, I actually ended up using it because I was like, perfect, I rule on a ruler. So yeah, and then on the other side it's got my signature little pencils on that, which are hand drawn by me. So yeah, it's cool. It's like a double-sided ruler. I'm quite happy with how this turned out actually. I wasn't able to imagine it that easily. But rulers are handy as well. You can draw yourself a grid in your bullet journal or just on your page. You can split pages up, and long rulers are hard to carry around. So a shorter ruler that can fit in your pencil case is a great idea. What else have we got? We've got, this is probably a lot of people's favourites, I hope. This is the first thing I designed. We've got the washi tape. With lots of tiny pencils. So yeah, there's not much to say about this. It was the first thing I designed. I thought it was going to be like long pencils, and then I had a few goes. I tried a few different designs, and I decided that I liked this one a bit better. You get more in one. You can kind of cut it down easier. So I thought, yeah. And I can see that a lot of people have already used this as well, actually. I'm going to show you. Try and like carefully put it back. I mean, there is quite a lot of it, so I think it's going to last me. But this is my September spread. I'll be posting it properly soon. I'm going to have to cover some things, but this is my September spread. So I used basically this design for my kind of theme. So I've got the washi tape there, and I drew this pencil. I haven't actually finished colouring it in, but yeah. September. So that's the washi tape. That's one of the kind of fancy items, I guess, the cool items, in my opinion. Then we've got this cute little eraser. Everyone makes mistakes, that's why they make erasers. But yeah, it's just handy to have a little eraser around, and you know, you don't always want to use the whole eraser on your mechanical pencil, so then you've got your separate eraser to use as well, and it's blue and pink, so it fits perfectly. What more could you want? And these are cool. I've got the stickers, so these big vinyl stickers. When Danielle was like, let's do some big stickers, I was like, yeah, cool. And then I was like, wow, I've got to design things to fit the shape, like what? So it was difficult. It took me a long time to get these designs out. But yeah, I finally managed it. So we've got get ready, get productive, go, to motivate you and get you doing stuff. So you can stick that somewhere, it's going to motivate you. Not decided where I need it yet. We've also got, obviously, I have too much stationery, said no one ever. I actually also sell this design on a tote bag, which I've been using quite a lot recently. If you didn't know, I have t-shirts and tote bags. I have too much stationery, said no one ever. That's a popular one. Danielle from Under the Rowan Tree has actually got a t-shirt with this on. I sell a t-shirt with it on as well. I should put links to them really. I don't really advertise them that much, but they are there. If you really want to express your stationery addiction, then that's for you. And then we've also got the sticker, the I Did the Thing sticker, which I really love this one. This is my favourite sticker out of the three. I'm interested to know which one is your favourite. Which one is your favourite sticker? Oh. I tried to get one of each colour because I was like, there we go, that's equal then. But I think this one is my favourite because you've got to celebrate when you're productive. You've got to be like, yeah, I did the thing. And I don't know where you guys are going to stick this. It could be a badge. Maybe that's an idea for the future. Jem says all of them. I've seen some people have used them in their journals already. I've seen this one and this one being used. I suppose they're quite nice because they're square, they fit nicely into corners, but I haven't seen anyone use that one yet. But I'm interested to see how everyone uses them. Then we've got, this is like the big item, I guess. And this is my favourite. So this is the Today I'll Focus on sticky note. And this was Danielle's idea to create some kind of sticky note kind of planning page. And what we decided was that we would create a little one. There's a little eek. We'd create a little one to help people focus, because when you're being productive, it's good to focus on like a limited amount of things. Like you can't do too much in a day. It's better just to choose a couple of things that are going to push you forward, focus on them, and then if you've got time, if you've got energy, you can carry on with the rest of your things. So I have actually used this already. And actually, this works really well. I'm going to show you, I'm going to turn you around. This works really well if you have a laptop and you can actually stick it on the side. So it's right, yeah, my BTS addiction is showing. So you can have it right in front of you all day. I was actually imagining that the sticky would be at the top, but I actually think it's better that it's on the side. So yeah, if you use them like that, let me know. It was my friend who actually did that first. She came over and to do some work, and I gave her one. I was like, here you go, use one of those and you can focus on 3 things. And she put it on the side of her laptop, and I was like, yes, that's a great idea. So yeah, I really love these. I think these are one of the most popular items. Let me know what you think of this. Have you used it yet? Has it helped? But yeah, I really like these. I'm going to have to get more. I'm going to have to be like, Danielle, I need more of them. Because they are 100% my favourites. And then the last couple of things we've got this calendar, which is done in my signature style. So this is all like my handwriting, kind of edited and stuff to make it look all funky. But yeah, that's my handwriting that I made into a font. different colours. Different colours of this. Maybe. No plans yet, but that would be cool, wouldn't it? Yeah, so this is the calendar for September, back to school, very pencil themed. Hopefully, if any teachers have ordered, they're loving it. And then also just the last thing is the kind of last little how to get productive information. So I gave you some advice and tips for like getting productive and how to use all the different items to get yourself productive. And on this side, we've got this lovely kind of get ready, get productive, go. And you can stick this somewhere, stick it on your fridge. Oh, you're a teacher. Sorted. So you can stick it on your fridge, stick it on your cupboard, stick it next to your bed, anything, anywhere to get you going. So yeah, we've got this. I'm going to try and hold them all and I'm going to fail. The ruler, these sticky notes. You framed that. That's so cool. You definitely send me a picture of that. We've got the stickers. I don't know if I can balance all this. The stickers, the washi tape, and the eraser. And the pens. Yeah, looks pretty cool. So yeah, if you ordered it, thank you so much. It means a lot that you really like it. I've had lovely feedback from everyone. If you haven't ordered it yet, I think you still can. So go to Under the Rowan Trees or Rowan Berry Box, and you can order it. It's £20 for all of this wonderful stationery, exclusively designed for the box. And yeah, I'm excited to see how you get productive. Anyway, I gotta get going. Need to have some lunch. Didn't think you'd manage all that. Neither did I. But you know what? When you put your mind to something, Emma, you can do anything. That's what I say. So yeah, I obviously have very dexterous hands. Maybe it's all the stationery. Can I get it all in one hand? We are more capable than we think. Okay. I'm so excited to see how you...
I didn't understand.
That was Google. Shut up. Okay. Right then. I will see you all very soon. Remember that Creative Productive Club opens tonight. 5 spaces are going. DM me if you're interested. And also I'm selling tickets for my goal getting masterclass if you're interested in like pushing your goals further and learning some amazing goal setting techniques. So the link to that is in my bio. If you're interested in the Creative Productive Club, send me a message. And I'll see you all very soon. Bye.